I'm gonna remember this. This is recorded in my memory.
You're gonna sit on the ground? Go on that side and sit on the ground.
Oh, I got fishing line all over.
Oh my god. Here, give him his beer. Or something. You're not supposed to sit on that. Oh, babe, get to the middle of it at least. Here, give this. Who's gonna row? Who's rowing? What are we doing here?
I'll row.
We have to push off somehow, right?
Yeah. Me one of these.
Here, give me one of them too. I can do
Am I
it too.
caught in fishing line?
I can do it too.
So just so
What
you
am I, in the
know,
Connecticut River?
the guy came and said that they have to be back at 5:30. They close at 6. So
Yeah, we're coming
you
back
just-
right now.
Okay. I just
That's
wanted
why
to
we're
make
doing
sure
it,
you
because they
knew.
left it here. So.
Okay.
I'm gonna get soap. Which way are we going? That way, right? Okay, good.
Stop rocking.
Auntie.
Your life is in their hands,
This
Casey.
is a horrible idea.
Auntie.
We're gonna sink. Oh my god. Go down. Here, let's turn this way. Turn.
Hey, can we swim? Where are the life jackets?
Where are we going? We gotta go that way.
Stop moving.
Remember, communication.
Go.
Go. This is a marriage exercise.
Go. Go.
Terrified.
Are you gonna go canoeing?
Go.
We gotta turn that way. Row.
It's only about 2 inches below the gunnels.
It's too long. It's too late to turn back now.
Right. We're here.
That was fun. Scared him a little bit, but thank you.
Yeah. No, you don't.
Okay. Oh shit.